another Sonic Gamer, and today I have hiccups, not lying. Look what I got. A special wizard called George. Even another wizard bird called Sonic the Hedgehog. You guys know that Sonic is really fast, and in Sonic Unleashed he turned into a monster. If you guys have the game, wow, you guys are lucky. I have the game, but you both want to get Sonic and George. Go to the description below and tell comment that says Sonic and George. It's actually free, but you can't get mine because literally I won't have a Sonic or George anymore, so you see my hand? Cool. Karate Master. You see that? Cool. And guess what I got? A pajama of Sonic. You guys really love Sonic? Let me know in the comments if you like Sonic the Hedgehog. Okay. So I think we need to be actually really quiet because the baby is actually asleep. I'll show you guys. I'll show you.